Well, I figured I'd let the winch do the talking. As y'all can see, that winch is pretty handy when it comes to stuff around the house or loading up deer. Now, Scott has come up with a really great invention here with a SB bed winch. Now, this is mainly targeted, this one is targeted for the Honda Pioneer series, 5, 700s, 1000 different makes and models. And you can contact Scott about that, or he's a heck of a fabricator. No matter what UTV you got, you might want to talk to him about what your needs are for what machine you have. Now, Scott does have a lot of options. He will sell you say you've got multiple UTVs, but you really only need one winch. So he can say the wiring harness, you can put it on all the UTVs and you can just move the winch. Since it's a slip-in winch, you can move it from machine to machine. He's got a lot of cool products. Everything's really good and powder coated. I mean, really top quality. The welding, the work, the craftsmanship he's put into it, the thought he's put into it. And no wonder he's getting a patenting on this, because this could go, this could actually go somewhere. So I've used it a lot. You've seen it on the deer. I figured I'd let the winch do the talking for itself at the start of the video. Scott uses Badland winches mainly because they have the wireless remote. They come with them. If you look at the cost of a wireless remote on other high dollar winches, it is ridiculous. You pay almost what you would pay. You almost pay in the remote alone what you would pay in the winch itself. So the Badlands winch is working great. I've used it on a ton of different things. This is just a couple options. As y'all can see, the deer, and then of course the burn barrel. That burn barrel was 3/4 way full and rusted almost in half. Super heavy. I just had to get the lip up on the trailer and pull it up on there. Super handy, valuable to hunters, farmers, whatever. You could load calves. You could do anything with this thing. Just go check him out. His name's Scott. SB Wood and Weld. He has a YouTube channel and a Facebook channel. I'll put all that information in the link below, and feel free to contact Scott with any questions you have. And as always, God bless. We'll catch you on the next video. See ya.